Whirlpool refrigerator model WRSA71CIHN repairs. Keep food properly cooled in this Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. The exterior water and ice system and touch controls are easy to reach without opening the doors, eliminating unnecessary temperature fluctuations, and the interior crisper drawers keep produce freeze. This 20 cubic feet capacity Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator provides ample space for food storage. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling.